Vijay here from Saffrons.
Hello, Vijay.
Sir, getting a good feeling in an IPO meet where we are served by popcorn. So हमें वो feeling आ रहा है कि we are watching a movie. Anyway, but something is missing out here is that there is no Pepsi served here. So that jokes apart. Sir, question is like you said that Uber class we have for quality advice. So today's trend, every society, every nowadays real estate you see, they are providing all kind of cinemas and all. Are you looking at that kind of looking for franchise of those builders who are high-end builders? Because everything now you're getting it in your vicinity itself. So what are your plans for that?
So complex are already a neighborhood boutique in the classic cinemas, right? It's like, classic cinemas. It's like China has more than 80,000 commercial screens, more than 75,000 commercial screens. US has more than 40,000 commercial screens. और इंडिया के अंदर अभी we believe कि India must have 25 to 35,000 commercial screens apart from the club screens or the society screens. So there is a catch, like you in the society you don't get to see like first day first show content. मतलब I believe after 60 days or maybe 90 days you'll be able to watch this content into the clubhouse or the society thing where like the content will no more fresh content will be served over there. And complex cinemas are neighborhood boutique and classic cinemas है. It's like आपके घर से नज़दीक में ही कहीं ना कहीं कॉम्प्लेक्स सिनेमा होगा जो आपके वॉकिंग डिस्टेंस पे होगा या तो कन्वीनियंट डिस्टेंस पे रहेगा एंड यू कैन इजीली गो एंड लाइक वॉच मूवी. सो हर बार आपको नए लोगों के साथ में बैठ के मूवी देखने का मजा आएगा कॉम्प्लेक्स के अंदर एंड यहाँ पे आपके पास लाइक द सेम ऑडियंस वुड बी रिपीटिंग एट द सोसाइटीज.
How you look at cinemas now? Because cinemas are going, doing business now. OTT platform is also booming. So, and you are coming with a luxury brand like this.
Right.
So, how you look at the business wise?
So, see, OTT is exactly, let me not put it, it's not a rivalry to cinema because fresh content, the first right comes to cinema. Theatrical release के numbers पे फिर OTT के numbers आते हैं. So, fresh content always will be on the favor of cinema only. And OTT penetration, maybe in metros it's great and amazing, but still in the tier 3 town of India, there is a need of entertainment and it's not a shared viewing experience. So OTT is complementing cinema, I would say, and it's no a big threat to cinema.
जैसे जोमेटो के आने के बाद में रेस्टोरेंट का बिजनेस भी बढ़ा है. इट्स नॉट लाइक कॉम्प्रोमाइजिंग. सो कहीं ना कहीं OTT इज लाइक one way of watching content or movie. The cinema is the other way.
What assured business you give to the franchisee, and what are your plans for them?
So we have around 25%, like the number of screens whatever we have, into that 25% is repeat ratio of the franchisee. So I think that gives the answer कि बंदा अगर एक में से 2 कर रहा है, 3 सिनेमा कर रहा है हमारे साथ, तो we have they have a good earning potential. Normally we commit our franchisees turnaround return of investment into 36 to 45 months. Few of the cinemas have very aggressive number also, but we can't put it as an example.
So, what are your size of screen for this luxury complex?
Normally
Or it differs place to place, or
it differs place to place. जितना 15-16 फीट, देखो कोई भी कमर्शियल बिल्डिंग हो ना उसमें ग्राउंड फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड फोर्थ नॉर्मली शोरूम हाइट होता है. अच्छे बिल्डिंग में 14 फीट होता है, अदरवाइज 12 फीट तो क्लियर हाइट मिलता है. इन फ्यू ऑफ द बिल्डिंग दे इवन हैव 16 फीट हाइट. तो हाइट के हिसाब से स्क्रीन अप एंड डाउन होता है, बट नॉर्मली वी हैव अ स्क्रीन साइज ऑफ अराउंड 25-26 फीट एंड दैट्स एन अमेजिंग एक्सपीरियंस.
how you are planning to change the projector to LED? You said that you
Yes.
what is the time duration for you have already started?
We already started. It's like more than 6 months we have a cinema with LED screen. And that cinema is doing the #1 top line into our all kitty.
My last question to you is Mumbai how many cinemas you have in Mumbai? Because it's a hub of cinemas.
It's a Mandi over here, and we need to be here. So we have signed up one in Titwala. One is going on. One more signing up is going on at nearby Kulla station, and I think post IPO will get a lot of buzz, and we'll be definitely here. Right now we have one cinema in Ahmednagar near Pune. We coming up with one in Sangamner, Solapur. 3 cinemas in Pune are coming up, 2 in Nasik coming up. So we have good footprint now in Maharashtra.
Sir,
one last question over here.
Sir, what is the average ratio of the regional cinema and the Hindi cinema? Because you have a presence in many